Badoop. Ding, 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 ding. Howdy. Greetings and salutations and a couple other different ways to say hello. And how are you and stuff. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG, I am lefty, and I am righty. Today we're going to try to figure out if BLG can cut off his fingers. New kitchen gadget test. Thrift store kitchen gadgets today, folks. Looky what I got. Yeah, that should be everything. I've got to handle the deep fryer right there. There you go. Here's what we got today. We got the Black & Decker Quick and Easy Plus food processor. Easy to use, high and low speed. Off is in the middle, on, and if you go this way, it pulses. Haven't plugged it in yet. It costed $12.99. Basically, 13 bucks. And here's all your parts. We have, I'll put them on here as we go. We have your bottom part, your bucket, and the little bucket thing goes on here. It'll sit down. I want it to sit somewhere else. It'll sit down like that. There we go. Locks in like so. Yes. And we have two different attachments. This little stem here, you can put that over the middle. This here, if you put it face up like this, see? That's a slicer to slice veggies or your summer sausage or whatever. If you turn it over like this, it's a grater. It'll julienne your stuff up for you. So if you want to grate something, you put it on here. Well, this is a little stop to go down in the bowl thing. If you got rough coarse stuff, you want these little paddles to face up like this on the top. You can turn it over like this if you got just fine stuff. Say you're just grating up some stuff, then your grater thing would go on here, see? Then you got your lid, and it has a little white thingy goes in here. See? Just like that. Stops things from coming out the chute. See? So if you take that off, with this thing and the little thing underneath, you're going to put your little thing on there and turn it. Then you plug it in, you put your veggie in. Got your pusher right here, plunger pusher thingy, boom boom in the top here like this. Put it in there, you hit your pulse thingy and it'll come out into a bowl over here. And if you want to just let it go down in the bottom, you simply take that off. This you don't need. Say you want to slice some cucumbers or something. Put your slicer side up. See? And then you put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, and you shake it about and stuff. Put your plug back in here like so. And then when you slice it up, it's going to fall down in here in your little tub, which will actually help kind of keep sliced stuff from getting tore up. It's better down here. But we're not going to use that part today. So we're going to set these guys off to the side here so I don't cut myself. It's got the mixer chopper thingy that goes in the straight bottom. We don't need the shaft. This goes on, see? Down in here. We don't need our top. Right? Yeah, you can still see. Good, good, good. Good to see you. Good to see you. Can you see me? Come here. Give me a little snuggling. Give me a kiss. Yeah. Hey, Lefty, quit it. Trying to be busy. Okay, so I got basically right here is what I'm going to test is the choppy part, the mixy thing. Because my other blender thing, the hamburger fat gets tangled up around the blades. The blades don't come out of my blender. Very difficult to clean. Thrift store shopping, found this bad boy. So this is the makings for Jack in the Box again. The filling for Jack in the Box. So what we're going to do, plop him on down in there with all his ingredients. All of his goodness, ingredients and stuff. There we go. And I've got a half cup of water. That's also part of it. If you want to learn how to make Jack in the Box tacos, that's what this is, the filling for that. I've got I got an episode on that just a little ways back. Just look for it. Jack in the Box Tacos is called, I believe, or Copycat Jack in the Box, something like that. Tacos. Pop your lid on here. It clicks like that. See? Now that's not coming off. And I'm going to put this on so it doesn't splash around. Like so. Now what we're going to do is move you a little closer here, so I can move this a little closer here so I can plug it in. And it's got the rubber band on the cord. So let's see what we get here. Can it do the choppy chop? We're about to find out, people. Righty? Would you do the honors of poking the low and then pulse buttons? I'm upside down, but sure. So I'm going to put this on low, and actually, Lefty, you do it because you're blocking. I'm blocking everybody. I want to pulse it on low. See what it does. I want to turn this into a quick. Boy, did that make quick work of that, folks. That's it. It turned it into a quick hamburger slurry, which is how you start your Jack in the Box. That quick. Look, it hardly made a mess on that. Pop this over here in the sink to clean. Rinse that around. But yeah, look at here. See, you can take your blade out, flap that down, and get him out of the way. Nice, easy cleanup. Oh, I like this, folks. I give this a good, big thumbs up. That is impressive. It did the trick. Look here, I'll show you. It absolutely did the trick. Look at this. That is Jack in the Box beginning taco filler slurry right there. That quick, that easy cleanup. Nothing to it, folks. So give it a thumbs up if you like it, yeah? Look for these. Like I said, 13 bucks. Can't beat that. It's like brand new, man. Yeah, pretty cool. So, hope you enjoyed the episode. For Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am. Don't tell nobody this, folks, but I'm BLG. Shh. I am Lefty, and I am Righty. These guys, and this guy and that. And we'll see you guys back here next exciting episode. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.